Hey there. Have you forgotten about me? You probably have, because it's been like 3 weeks since I've filmed. I guess he's gonna join because this wouldn't be a video without. Anyway, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Welcome back myself. It's been a little bit. In the last video you guys saw me struggling with my skin issues. So since then I've just been trying to get my that stuff under control. So that's why I haven't been filming. Anytime I put makeup on, it pretty much always will flare up. The only time you'll see me wearing makeup, if you guys follow me on social media, is when I go to work. You'll see me in my tunic. That's why I'm wearing makeup. Always gotta make it about them. It can never be about me. So I've been dying to get back on here, but because of my skin, it's just been making me like very anxious to get on camera, because I'm so like, it just upsets me every time I think about it. And I don't want to put makeup on when I don't have to, because I don't want to irritate it more than it already is irritated. I realized I could get on here and I could do other videos for you that didn't involve me putting on makeup, but my channel, that's like what my channel I base it on, is my beauty life story type of thing. So yeah, so I don't know if you can tell. I don't know why I'm saying I don't know if you can tell. So as you can tell, like, I don't know if this is part of it, but this just started being really itchy this morning, and it just turned into this redness like my face. So I don't know if it's like part of it, but I'm gonna zoom you in so you can kind of see how like my skin looks when it starts to get really irritated. But this is like the stage before it starts being like really scaly. Yeah, so I'm gonna kind of zoom you in so you can see it. All this right here, it's just so bad. I'll get it, like, you guys know, like right here and right here. But this like usually is the worst part as far as like inflammation goes. Really itchy right now. I'm gonna put the stuff on that the dermatologist gave me, but that doesn't really solve the problem. So like when it starts itching really bad, I'll put like Benadryl, like anti-itch cream on it, just because I don't want, because if I can stop the itching, I can usually stop it from like flaking up, because that's like what does it. The more I itch, the more it irritates it. So yeah, that was a long ass explanation of what is going on with me. So yeah, we're actually going to put makeup on, but it's just gonna be foundation. I want to be on camera, but I don't want to have to be putting on a bunch of makeup when I don't have to. I work the rest of the week, so I need to like prepare my face for that. So yeah, so on to what today's video is about. If you're still here, if you're still stuck around, how's it going? So recently Bobbi Brown launched a new foundation. It's been, what, a good month or two? Maybe not that long, maybe 2 months, something like that. The Bobbi Brown released the new foundation, and I was really excited to try it. Now, I don't really know what my skin type is at this point. Like, I don't know. It feels dry, but it does get oily. Like, it feels like scaly and dry, but that's just because of what's going on with my skin. But I think it's caused from being oily, so I really don't know what my skin type's like. Anyways, moving on. So it's the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation, SPF 15. It's full coverage, oil control, shine control. And yeah, so basically, like I said, it's a full coverage foundation. And it's supposed to last you, it's supposed to be not a 24-hour wear, but it is supposed to hold up throughout the day. I've used this on a few clients at work, and they really seem to like it. That everybody's different. So I'm basically just going to test it on my face, even though I probably shouldn't. But you know, I'm doing it anyways. So I'm going to test it on my face. One half I'm going to do with the sponge. The other half I'm going to do with the brush. See what I prefer. See if I even like the foundation. Yeah, I'm not going to use any primer either, just because I want to see what it does on its own. And like I said, I still don't want to put any extra products on that I don't got to put on. So yeah. if you want to see me try this new Bobbi Brown foundation, then please keep watching. So I know I said I wasn't going to prime like just 2 seconds ago, but I changed my mind because I got this really cool item in gratis. I actually got both of these in gratis, so I was like, thank you, Sephora. So this is the new Milk makeup. I don't know if it's new to us because we just got the full line of Milk at our store. The Luminous Blur Stick. Now the Blur Stick, the original one is more of like a mattifying pore primer. This one obviously is going to be like the luminous version of that. I've been kind of testing it out and I really like it, so I'm just going to use that since this is more like a matte foundation. I want to kind of put something underneath it that's not so matte. What about these is that they are formulated without silicone or dimethicone, which is usually what a lot of pore primers have in there. But the only thing bad about those is they can clog pores and stuff like that. So this is made without that. So that's pretty cool. So I'm mainly just going to focus it right here like on my cheeks and kind of like where like this is. See how it kind of gives a glow? So I'm going to blur right here on my cheeks, but I also want to kind of bring it up. Now as far as blurring, I don't know if I noticed like a whole lot of difference. But I do notice whatever foundation I wear this with, it gives it like a luminous look to it. And the shade I have is Porcelain. That was the one that I felt like best matched me. Now it'll probably match my neck really good. But usually when I match my neck, I feel like a ghost. So we'll see. But I don't know how many pumps to do. I'll probably do... Put the camera, get it out. Oh, something came out. So I take about a good 2 pumps. And I'm just going to start with that. And I'm going to start with the brush first. Rest in peace, Red Bull. So I'm just going to use my Sephora 47 brush, foundation brush. This is what I use at work on a lot of clients, so I just like this brush. I mean, it's light, but I'm pretty sure I'm just fair. Alright, so it looks good. I'm not really seeing exactly full coverage just yet, though. I mean, you need to add more. Another thing I noticed with this foundation, like when I use it on clients, is that I feel like it has almost like a sticky, I don't want to say sticky, that's not the word. Like I feel like I'm dragging instead of it being like very like, I don't know. I'm just going to say sticky then. It's not really the word I'm thinking of, but it feels like it's like tacky. That's the word. It just feels kind of like it's sticking to everything. If that makes sense. I'm going to zoom you in so you can see a little better. I don't know if y'all can even see that far away. This is with, I'm going to kind of go over this redness right here because I don't like looking at it. So this is the coverage, as you can see. This is with the foundation. Not with the foundation. I definitely think it looks really, especially on the monitor, like the viewfinder, it looks really pretty. I definitely don't think it's a full coverage. I definitely think it's like a medium coverage. You can probably build upon it, but with the texture, with it being kind of tacky, I don't really want to add any more. Yeah, it's still a little tacky, but it doesn't feel heavy, so I mean that's a good thing. If you want something a little bit more full coverage, this may not be the foundation. I mean, like I said, you can build it, but I don't know, I feel like the claims are supposed to be full coverage and it's not exactly there, but you can definitely tell the difference. So now I still have a little bit left, but I don't think that's going to cover my face, the other side, so I'm going to do another pump. And now I'm going to do it with my sponge. It's almost like a gel texture in a way. And I'm going to see kind of... Now I'm assuming the brush is going to give me better coverage only because brushes, what they're meant for, usually sponges kind of soak up excess product. And it sucks trying to review a foundation when your skin's like so bad, because then it's like, do you hold the foundation accountable or... So yeah, the sponge definitely soaked up that product because I have to put more. What I do like about it is, even though it is like an oil control foundation, I don't feel like it's necessarily like super matte. It kind of has like a semi-matte, semi-like natural finish. This is the real teller right here. I'm gonna zoom you in. That looks so dark on camera. Oh, it just looks so bad. So I don't know. So you can definitely still see like my redness and my skin peeking through. Look how red my ear is too. Like my ear gets it too, guys. And right there I have some. We're just getting all up close and personal with this video. So this side I feel like there's still areas that need to be covered. Sorry, I'm cheating. I'm going over it with the sponge, but the closer up I am to the camera and I'm seeing it in the monitor, I'm not loving how the finish is. Not necessarily finish, just like how it looks on my skin, because like I said, you can still see this through, and like I said, you can build this up, but with me being so irritated, I don't want to add a bunch of product. I want something that can cover in like one pass, and this just isn't doing it. I can tell you if I wear this to work, it's gonna be like separated and red by the end of my shift, or like even mid shift. As far as like what I prefer, the brush or the sponge side, I think I prefer, I don't know, they both kind of look the same to me. Probably the brush, only because it kept the coverage there a lot more than the sponge did. Guys, I'm gonna have to like take this off. I'm already like so irritated. With Bobbi Brown's products like creasing on me, like I know this is a foundation, so it's like bound to crease if you put it under your eyes. But how the foundation's looking, oh, there's my cracks in my nose. I feel like it could look better. It almost looks like skin-like. I mean, I feel like if I want to do something that's skin-like, I'm not going to go for full coverage foundation. I'm going to go for something that's meant to be lighter. Like I said, I've tried it on clients and it's looked really good. I noticed that the formula is a little like tacky when you work with it, so just keep that in mind. It doesn't look bad on the skin. My skin is just not in a good place, so pretty much a lot of the foundations I wear, even my tried and true Maybelline, looks not the best on me with my skin problems. So yeah, I look so crazy because and you definitely have to like powder this down because it definitely feels like sticky. So I would powder this down. I'm gonna try this one day with like full face of makeup whenever my skin is better, because I don't think this is gonna look good until my skin clears up. Who knows when that's gonna be? I don't know. This is basically my first impressions of the new Bobbi Brown long wear foundation. I can't really speak to the longevity of how it is. But this is basically just kind of like a coming back to YouTube video. I wanted to explain to you what's going on with me and still put some kind of content out there, but I did want to test this foundation. And so yeah, that's what I did today. Let me know down in the comments below what side you prefer, if you can even tell the difference, or if you enjoy how it looks on my skin. Like, kind of give me your feedback on what you think. And yeah, I missed you guys, so any comment I can see down there of your beautiful faces will just make everything so much better for me right now. I'm gonna go wipe this off my face now because I feel the burning. It just is so irritated right here, and I don't want to cause any more like issues. So yeah, that is it for this video. I will try not to be gone so long. I know I've been saying that lately. I think it's just because these skin issues are coming up, and like I said, it just, anytime I have a day off and I'm like, oh, I should film, but look at my skin looks bad, or my skin's irritated, or I don't want to, you know, get on camera and have to, like, I don't know. I'm just worried that if I come on camera and I'm already, like, have a lot of anxiety about everything going on, then you're gonna feel that through the camera. You're gonna feel it, and I want to like come on here and be positive for you guys, and I want to come on here and put out my best content. I don't want to come on here and just not put my everything into it. I don't want to come on with a makeup tutorial that's gonna look like crap, but just put it out just because to put a video out. If I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna put like a chit-chatty video where I'm just talking to you guys. I'm not going to put like a makeup tutorial out. So yeah, and if you are, I know we've talked about it in this video, but if you aren't like kind of aware of what I'm talking about or what's going on with my skin, I'll link my last video in the description box, or I'll put it right here, of where you can go watch it, and it just kind of explains like where I've been, why I haven't been uploading makeup tutorials. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and I love you so much. Thank you for all the new subscribers that have come this way, and yeah, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!